20 facts about the Queen's Gambit. Starting with the number 1. The popular show is based on a book of the same name by author Walter Tevis. Due to the show's success, the book entered the New York Times bestsellers list again after 37 years. Number 2. It is the most watched scripted limited series on Netflix ever, with 62 million views in the first 28 days. It is featured in the top 10 list of Netflix in 92 countries and ranked number 1 in 63. Number 3. The show's creators consulted actual chess players, including the legendary Garry Kasparov, a former world chess champion who held the title for 15 years, starting from 1985 since 2000. He is also the youngest ever world chess champion, winning the title for the first time at age 22. He was asked to play the main antagonist in the series, Vasily Bogov, but declined. Number 4. The show includes a star we all remember, but only few have been able to spot. Dear old Dudley Dursley from Harry Potter. Harry Melling plays chess master Harry Beltic in the series. Number 5. Beth's story was made to be very similar to death of another famous American chess player, Grandmaster Bobby Fischer, widely regarded as one of the best players of all time. Bobby was known to be dramatic, difficult, but most of all absolutely brilliant. Number 6. The actors actually played all of the matches in the series. From the slow, classical moves to the blisteringly fast moves shown, the actors memorized piece movements and positions and played every move themselves on the camera. Number 7. One of the plot points of the series in that Beth oftentimes imagines a board on the ceiling and plays out variations there. While this seems weird, it is not really unrealistic. Players like Vasyl Ivanchuk and American Grandmaster Hikaru Nakamura are both known to look at the roof a lot during the games. While this series came out in 2020, a movie adaptation of this was planned over a decade ago in 2008 and was slated to be directed by the infamous Batman villain Heath Ledger. However, his untimely passing brought the project to a halt. Number 9. The show has resulted in a huge boom in chess with chess.com, the leading online chess platform, seeing an almost 5-fold increase in users. Google searches related to chess also grew by around 92%. Number 10. The show revolves around a female chess player that breaks down walls and takes on the world's best, who are all men. This has led to a large number of women also getting into the game, where women have been greatly underrepresented for a long time. Number 11. Originally, creator Scott Frank asked Garry Kasparov to play Borgov in the Queen's Gambit, but he turned down the role and became a consultant instead. Number 12. In fact, there were even chess matches where the board is never shown on the screen, only the actors' faces, but they still played a real game. Number 13. Anya filmed The Queen's Gambit, Emma, and Last Night in Soho around the same time, and actually only had one day off in between each project. Number 14. The character of Benny is loosely based on real-life American chess grandmaster Bobby Fischer, who at 13 years old won a game that became known as the Game of the Century. Number 15. Costume designer Gabrielle Binder actually incorporated the lines of the chessboard throughout Beth's wardrobe. Number 16. If you didn't know, Mariel Heller, who played Alma, is a well-known director and was behind the films like A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, Can You Ever Forgive Me, and What the Constitution Means to Me. Number 17. All of the hypothetical chess situations that play out in Beth's head and are on screen include real chess moves that could happen basically. The VFX team also learned chess while doing the effects. Number 18. There were a lot of women who worked behind the scenes on the series, including Michelle Tesoro, who single-handedly edited all 7 episodes. Number 19. Each of Beth's lipstick colors were deliberately chosen for each individual scene and helped signify Beth's age as the series progressed. Number 20. And finally, Anya cried during every single take while filming the final moment of the series when Beth plays chess in the Russian park. She said she was just so happy for Beth in those moments.